Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, and make sure you also click on this bell icon to get notifications to know whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel. And make sure you also join my Telegram channel and group. I'm going to be putting the link in the description so you can easily join there and you'll see what we do there. We do really cool stuff there. And today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money using the Trove investment app. And I'm going to make this video kind of like a freestyle video, so I'm just going to be going with the flow, and then I'm going to be showing you guys what you're going to do to make money using the Trove investment app, because I haven't rehearsed before I did this video, so we're just going to do something really quickly. So the first thing you need to do is you need to sign up to Trove. So I have my referral link, and when you use my referral link you might get a bonus. So this is my referral link, like right here is on the screen. So I also put it in the description of the video and in the pinned comment. So just copy my referral link, put it in your browser, or just click on the link, and then it will take you to where you can sign up to Trove. So I'm just going to be using that right now. Okay, let's just wait for that to load real quick. Now we are here, and the first thing you need to provide is a working email address. I'm sure that all of us have a working email address, so I'm just going to be putting an email address into the search box. Okay, so that's my email address, and then you're just going to tap on continue. Now after you click on continue, you're going to be asked to provide your mobile number. Then you're going to be asked to enter a valid password. I'm just going to use a suggestion from Chrome as my password. You're going to choose your nationality. That's going to be Nigeria. Okay, and then that's my referral code right there, and then just click on continue. So after clicking on continue, you're going to be sent a digit to your email address for you to confirm. So I'm just going to go check the one-time password I was sent to my Gmail right now. So now I've gotten the one-time password from my mail, and then we're just going to click on the verify icon. So that's step one. Step one is complete. That's creating an account, signing up with your email and phone number. Then the step two is for them to know your funding source, that's your income and your trading experience. Then step three, you're gonna do an identity verification. So I'm just gonna skip all this, but you guys have to do that. Then after that, you're gonna click start using Trove, and then you're able to log into your own Trove dashboard. So I'm just gonna go log into my own real account, because this was just an account I created to show you guys or walk you through the whole sign up process. I'll probably do another extensive video showing you how to do this more, I'll do the whole steps when I'm doing it in probably the other video I'm going to do on that. So I'm just going to be logging into my account right now. So I'm going to put my mail, I'm going to put in my password, and I'm going to click on login. So now I'm in my dashboard. This is my Trove dashboard. That's still loading, so let's just wait for that to load real quick. Okay, so now we are into the accounts, and you can see Trove has put in a lot of features. So you can see right here that you can see some latest news on investing. So there are different categories, and there are different news. You can see news on investing, you can see on technology, on sports and recreation, on oil and gas, financial services. That's the one I use a lot, because Trove puts a lot of investing techniques and articles on investing that can actually help you as a beginner when you want to get into investing. So then under there you can see your portfolio. So this is how much I have in US dollars. I have $169 in my account, and then on my Naira account you can see there's 4,256 Naira. And then going down you can see the top gainers, because stocks, you can actually liken stocks to crypto, and then when you're looking at it you can see some top gainers, like the way you get top gainers in cryptocurrency, like maybe Decentraland Mana is high today, or there's Litecoin, there's Bitcoin. So here you can see that this Haynes International, Oric Pharmaceuticals, Frisia Incorporated, Planet Labs, and they are gaining. You can see plus 10%, plus 16%, plus 14%, and all that. Those are the top gainers. Then you can also see the top losers, and then you can see these Aerovit, okay, Elevate Therapeutics, you can see it on minus 14%. You can see Blend Labs, and you can see some other companies that are losing in their stock. And then you can see some essentials of Trove. That's when you get your free Trove debit card, you are gonna get there. Then keeping track of your assets and getting gifts that last forever. That's sharing gifts to family and friends, gift stocks, like gifting stocks to people. We're also coming to that. And then you can see what's new about the Trove app. And like I said before, these are some other news, but this one are like highlighted news. So that's all on the first part of the app. Now I'm going to go to the more important things now, and we're going to be starting with the portfolio. Now this is my portfolio, and when you open my portfolio, this is how much I have in Naira. This is my Naira account. And then if you want to switch, there's a way you can switch. You can see switch portfolio right here, so you can see between your Naira and your dollar account. When I switch my dollar account, you can see it's $169, and you can see how your money is moving over time. You can see it goes down a little, and then it comes up, and then it stabilizes. Then you can see like I said before, the top gainers, and then that's the chart right there. And you can see the investments. My investments worth of $168. This is how much I've actually invested in stocks. So you can see my diversity. I've used $169 to buy 4 assets. That's 4 different stocks. I bought Apple stocks, Dangote stocks, and some other stocks. I can see the stocks I bought, like the one I have right now. I have Netflix stocks, I have Tesla stocks, I have Bank of America stocks, and then I have stocks in airline. And you can see my airline stocks are reducing right now, but not on a high scale, just minus 0.22. I can see my Tesla stocks are up by 41%. That I've gained $4 from my Tesla stocks. That one I just bought it kind of recently, so over time is actually going to increase. Then after that, some other parts I'm going to be showing you guys now. Some other features is, okay, I've gone to the dashboard feature. Here the profile is where you just check your profile and you know what you use during your sign up. You can check it there and you can edit some details. Then in browse assets, that's where you're going to see all the stocks you can buy on Trove. You can view all Nigerian assets, or you can check foreign stocks, you can check ETFs. We're going to be coming to all this. Like, I'm going to make extensive videos on maybe Nigerian stocks. Maybe that day I'm just gonna make a video on, okay, Trove stocks, and then I'm gonna be talking on, you know, the kind of stocks we have there. Like, okay, we have Nigerian stocks, we have foreign stocks. I'm gonna be showing you different stocks, and then I'm probably gonna be enlightening you on some things that you guys should buy or something like that. You know, some stocks that will actually make you guys money and stuff like that. So you can click on view all Nigerian assets, and then you can see all stocks that Trove app has in Nigeria. So you can see it's actually a lot. We are seeing A, this is like just on letter A, and then we are still going down this B, and then we are going all the way to Z. So there are a lot of stocks you can buy using the Trove app. Now when you go to watch list, I'm just showing you guys the different features. When you get to watch list, or you can see that you can create a new watch list. Like maybe you want to watch a particular coin, let me see, Tesla stocks. Now when you want to watch Tesla stocks, you just create a new watch list, and then you put Tesla there. So it's actually going to be giving you updates on things that are going on with Tesla stocks. So it's just going to keep you updated on Tesla stocks. And when you click on favorites, maybe you have bought a stock before, maybe Dangote stocks, and then you find out that, okay, over time Dangote stocks tends to increase, and then you know you like buying it and stuff like that. So you can just put it in your favorite option. So anytime you want to buy Dangote stocks, you can just, instead of scrolling through the assets or you know searching and stuff like that, you just come there to your watch list, and then you come to your favorites, and then you can easily view your favorite stocks. Like if I view my 2 favorite assets, I put the AMC Entertainment Holdings and Netflix stocks as my favorite stocks, because I found out over time that Netflix stocks tend to increase despite their little decrements or sometimes. Now you can go to my vote. This is where you see how much you have in your account. That's $177 in my votes, and you can see I've done some transactions. You can check your transaction history. I've done some withdrawal transactions, I've transferred, deposited, and then you can see it just goes on and on and on. And then you can go to the card option, and then here in card you can check. That's when you get a Trove virtual this thing. Let me just say ATM card. Let me not use the word debit card, because all of us are more conversant with ATM card. So it's just like the way you have your physical ATM card, you also have your Trove virtual card. So when you have your Trove virtual card, you can to do normal transactions on, like, you can buy stuff with it, you can, you know, do this, do that to the card. So when you get it, you can have it right here, and then you can transfer your money inside your Trove card. And then when you're outside and you want to get something, you can just use those your details to like get something, guys, to buy a card. You know, the normal things to do with your ATM card, basically you can do it with the Trove virtual card. Then here's my order history. In my order history here, these are just my buy orders. So these are all my orders. These are all the coins I've bought at one point or the other. These are 5 or stocks. Sorry, I said coins because I'm not conversant with cryptocurrency. So I mean stocks. So these are some of the stocks I've gotten, and these are my buy orders. And then I've sold before. I've sold some Tesla stocks before. So then our calendar, that I'm not very conversant with it. It's just a new feature. You can see this dots right here, so it's a new feature. I'm going to be talking about that in my next video, so you guys should stay tuned so that I can know what that's all about. Then now, most of you are probably wondering, I titled the video how to make money with the Trove investment app. Now, making money with the Trove investment app is very easy, because mostly what you are doing is you are buying stocks. It's just like, okay, let me just explain it in crypto terms, because most of us know about crypto. And if you want to know about crypto more, I'm doing a class on my Telegram channel. That's the link on the screen right there, and I also put the link in the description of this video and also in the pinned comments. So you can just head there and click on the link, and then when you get to my Telegram channel, you can just say I'm here for the crypto class, and then I'm going to be there with you guys as quickly as possible. So I'm going to be attending to you guys. Then now, how you make money with Trove is basically you buy stocks. Like, let's say I bought the way I bought Tesla stocks. Now, the way I bought Tesla stocks, you can see right there. Now you buy per share. Okay, let me just do as if I want to buy some stocks right now. I'm just gonna go to my dashboard, and then I'm gonna go to, let me see, this coin that is going plus 10%. And then when I open the coin, I can easily see this icon that says, so you can see right there, that's the buy option and that's the sell option. So when I want to buy any international or stocks, I'm just going to click on buy. And then when you click on buy, you can see that one in international stocks is worth $0.82. So if I want to buy, okay, sorry, this is the price, $47 for one in international stock. I can just put how much I want to buy, maybe 100 USD. For that, that's 2.12. So if I'm putting just 2 shares of AIN's international stocks, that's going to be $94. And then I'm just going to click on continue, and then they're going to withdraw the money directly from my account. So for you guys that don't actually know a lot about stocks, maybe you are more into other things and then you're not really into stocks, you can see this switch to demo. You can click on switch to demo. When you're in demo mode, you are given a kind of, it's just like when you are doing forex and then you are giving a demo account. A demo account. Now on this account, you can see there is $11,000. Like if I go to my portfolio right here, that's the sum of $10,000. And then in NGN, they are going to give you $5 million for you to basically just learn how to trade stocks. So with this $5.7 million, I can basically buy anything. Like, over time you're going to see maybe you're actually good in finding out what coins are increasing and what coins are reducing. So it's actually very good when you're using the demo account. So you can work both seamlessly. You can switch to your live account, then you can also switch to your demo account. You can practice. Then when you see that, okay, you are doing very good on your demo account, you can come to your live account and then buy some stocks, and then you see how it's doing, and you're like, okay, I'm actually understanding this thing. Or maybe you're still making some mistakes. Then if you're making some mistakes, you can come back to the demo account, and then you can keep practicing, try with the demo account, and then from there you just actually get good, because you get good over time. So it's very easy. When you just go to any coin you want from the browse assets section, you can just click, sorry, I said coin again, you can just click on any stocks you want. So when you want to buy any of the stock, you just click on the stock, and then when it loads, you just click on that buy option, and then when you click on buy, you can basically just buy that, and then at any time you can sell whatever you have. Now another way you can make money using the Trove investment app is through referrals. Now this one is very easy to make money, because all you have to do is you come to this icon right here, this free shares icon, and then when you click on the free shares icon, you get a unique referral link. Now that's my referral link on the screen. So I told you guys I put it in the description of the video and also in the pinned comment, and when you use my link to register, you can actually get a bonus. And when you also register using my link, and then when you have your own dashboard and then copy your link and share to people, you also make money using that. Per referral you get money. Now you can get between $1 and I think maybe 20 something or 50 something dollars per each referral. So you can see it's very easy to make money. But basically I found out they give more of, basically $1 per referral, and $1 in Naira right now is about 517 Naira. So imagine you refer someone, the person verifies his or her account, and they are basically making 517 Naira per each person you are referring. That's like a very easy way of making money. So you can see some of my received shares from referrals. So you can see that's $1, $1 from different people. If I keep scrolling down, that's a lot of referrals. So you can see $1, lots of $1 from lots of people. And then when you collate all this together, you actually have like a very, very significant amount of money. And then when you make that amount of money, you can withdraw it instantly, or you can also pick that amount of money and then you can, put it in some stocks on the same app, and then you make more money from the stocks again. So it's actually like a chain of making money on Trove. You make money basically through like any single thing on Trove. You can make money through buying your stocks. You can make money through referring people. You can make money by just keeping stocks for the long term, and then you keep making money over time. So it's very, very easy to make money through Trove. So all you have to do is just register using that link shown on the screen right now, and they can start making money with Trove. Now, if you have any questions on this video, if a part I talked about was not very, very understanding to you, maybe you not really understand, you not really grasp the concept, or maybe you're having some doubts, or you have some questions on some of the features I've mentioned, and maybe you're not really understanding, maybe how to buy, how to sell, maybe you want some advice from me on which stocks to buy, or what to get, what to keep for the long term, what to just invest in for the short term, and then you make a lot of money, you guys should just hit my Telegram channel. It's very, very easy. Just hit that link on the screen right now. I'm also gonna, like I said before, I'll put it in the description of this video and also in my pinned comments. So you just click on that, and then you can ask me directly in my DMs. You can just ask for my my Telegram username in the group, and then I'm gonna give you, so you can talk one-on-one, and then you ask me questions and then I answer you guys. Then you can also drop your question directly in the group. I'm always very active on Telegram. Like if you check my Telegram channel, you see that whenever someone asks questions, I kind of just tend to answer very, very quickly, because I take you guys, my subscribers as my priority. And also you guys that are watching this video, I have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. So that's very easy. Just come to my channel, and then in my channel you see this big subscribe button. So all you have to do is you click on that subscribe button. You can see this already subscribed. So you click on the subscribe button, and you also click on this bell icon, so that whenever I upload a new video on this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.